Hi, welcome to an Autocad 2023 video tutorial. The next one in this series, the joint fork, done in Autocad. Pretty straightforward. So, let's have fun with AutoCAD. First I want to create some reference points. So, go to draw, go to points. One should sit at 110 column 0, another one at 0 column minus 50. Let's take a look. Okay, another one at 95 column 0, another one at 73 column 0, and the last one at 125 column 0. And okay, now let's start with a circle at 0, 0, radius should be 20. Another one at, snap onto that node on this one, and the radius should be 15. And another one right on this node here, and again the radius should be 15. Now I need some lines, one which is tangent from this circle to that circle over here, another one tangent from that circle back to this circle here, and another one from this one to that one, and again one from this one up to that one. Now I can trim, so select those elements. I'm using the default mode, the standard mode for trim. Right click and then I should be able to delete those. Okay, now I need a polyline, so I want to go for p-edit. Select one of the elements, confirm the conversion, go for join this one, these, that one and this one, right click and enter, and I should have a nice polyline here. For the next one I have to rotate my axis system by 90 degrees, so maybe hide this for the moment. Now select the axis system, go to the y-axis and rotate it around the x-axis. The default is 90, so just confirm the default. And then take a look here. I need circles, not circles but rectangles, so I want to go for a rectangle which starts at 0, 0 and is maybe 100 by 10. Then move this one, right click, the base point should be that midpoint here, and move it to minus 20 column minus 5. Enter. Now I need circles, and where do these circles sit? They sit at that node here, so control go for node, should sit right here, and the radius should be 32, another one at the same center, and the radius should be 40. Then I need some lines. So let's draw it like that. Somehow that polar tracking went off. I want to go for 100, and then I want to copy this one, right click and use the midpoint as base point, then snap onto a node here, snap onto the next node here, another one here, and another one. I think I don't need it, but in any case, like that. Delete this one. Now I need horizontal lines from that intersection point over here, another one like that, another one from that intersection point up there, and the last one like this here. Then I can go for the trim, and I will use the standard, the default trim, not the new quick trim. So I have to select all the objects, right click, and then I should be able to trim this. Maybe like, not quite, maybe like this. Okay, this should be removed. That could be erased, but without that node. Then this should be trimmed. This should be trimmed. That's kind of crazy. Maybe I didn't snap on it. Happens like that, like this. Just repeat it and try to select them all just in case. Right click, and now I should be able to erase those two small parts. Okay, and this should be erased. This could be erased. That could be erased. This one and that one. Right click. Good. And now trim here. Over there. Here. There. This one. Okay. That looks okay. And remove this one as well. Okay, now I need a polyline, so I want to go for P-edit. Select one of the elements, doesn't really matter. Then go for right click join and select the rest. Right click and enter. So this should be a polyline. Great. Let's bring back the other polyline. And now I can do my extrudes. Let's start with this one. So go for an extrude. Select that polyline. Right click. Enter. And make it 150. Okay, then go back to your world coordinate system and extract this one here. Maybe first move this on to a different layer, maybe on this one, and then you make an extrude here. So go for an extrude with this one, right click, enter, and make it 100. And again move it to a different layer. Now I want to move this one in that direction by 50. So go here, select it, right click, go there, and move it by 50 millimeters. Then move this one along that axis here, so in this direction, and this should be 75 millimeter. No. Oh yeah, okay, that's okay. And now make an intersection between those two solids. So go for intersection or subtract, and I want to subtract, no, subtract, intersection, like this, and confirm, which gives you almost the basic shape. Then I need a cylinder, so go for different layer, maybe this one just to make it more visible. Go for a cylinder, and that cylinder should start at 0, 0, column 10. Radius should be 20, and it should go in that direction, 20. And then make a union, so go for this solid, and that one should be combined. Great. Maybe hide those sketches. Then I can make my fillets. So go for fillet edge, start with a radius of 15 on this edge here, this one, and on this one. Enter, enter. Repeat that command. Now go for 10 millimeter and select this edge here, that one here, and this one here. Come on. Okay, enter, enter. Repeat that command, go for 5 millimeter and select this edge here, confirm, and also 5 millimeter on this edge and on that edge. Preview and confirm. Great. And now I can do my holes. Maybe switch to wireframe because it's easier to see. Now I want to use more cylinders. So go for cylinder, select the center point here of that surface, like that. Diameter would be 18, so the radius is 9, and make it maybe 30 in that direction. Then I can copy this cylinder, so go for home, go for copy, and I want to copy this one, right click, and I want to use the center here, the space point, and move it to that center here. Okay, then another one over here on that center point, and another one over here at this center point. Let's try to snap. That would be this one here. Okay, and now I can remove those 4 cylinders from that solid. So go for subtract. That's the target. Right click, and these are the tools. Right click. Great. I need 2 more cylinders. So go for another cylinder. Snap onto that center point here. The radius should be 12.5. Enter. And the length or depth should be 2.5. Same on the other side. So move it around like that. No. Go for another cylinder. Select that center point here. Make it 12.5, and in this direction, so in that direction, 2.5. Enter. Now I can remove those 2. So go for subtract. That's the target. Right click, and that's the first tool, and that's the second tool. Maybe switch back to realistic, and I'm done. So I hope it was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you could follow me also on Instagram, Facebook, GrabCAD, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.